The number one benefit of information technology is that it empowers people to do what they want to do. By Steve Ballmer. This quote shows how important it is for us to be knowledgeable about our modern world, especially in our latest technologies. Just by having knowledge on something enables us to have the capacity to do something that others might not know.
Do you know how to configure client device system setting LAN and WAN? If not, then this video is for you. Good day everyone. As a group of expert technicians, we are here to deliver our knowledge to you that will help you when you use computer. We will be teaching you how to configure your client device system settings LAN and WAN.
Let us first define these three. First, client device system settings. Client device system settings is a way of configuring your client device by which you cannot specify client settings at a collection level. And by client device, we can refer to it as any computer that has access to data from another computer.
Secondly, we have LAN. This is the group of computers and associated devices that share common communications line or wireless link to a server. LAN encompasses computers and peripherals connected to a server within a distinct geographic area such as an office or a commercial establishment.
And now, lastly, we have WAN. This is the telecommunication network or computer network that extends over a large geographical distance. WAN are often established with a least communication circuit.
Now, we're going to start on how to configure your client device system settings. There are 4 ways on configuring your client device settings, and the first step is
Setting up time and date. To set up the time and date, go to right bottom of your taskbar. Right click on the area of time and date. Then choose adjust date and time. Then the date and time settings will appear.
You could also set time zone. It is located below change date and time. You could also choose Beijing, Kuala Lumpur, or Taipei. Anything that almost similar Philippines time zone because Philippines is not on the choices. Just choose a time one that matches on our time. The UTC plus 8.
Step 2 is set up computer name. In setting up your computer name, go to Start menu and search for My PC. Then Control panel will appear. Click on Change Settings button. After clicking Change Settings, another setup will appear. You can now change the computer description and computer name.
Step 3. Install and configure network driver. To configure the network of your PC, click Open Network and Sharing Center. Click the Ethernet link at the top of the window. You'll see this next to Connections. Click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Make sure you don't uncheck it, just highlight it. Click Properties.
Click the Use Following IP Address Radio button. Type 192.168.1.50 into the IP address field. Type 255.255.0.0 into the subnet mask field. Type 192.168.0.0 into the default gateway field. Click OK. This will save the settings for that computer. This computer is now configured on your network with a unique IP address.
And for the last step, install necessary software application like MS Office and antivirus.
Now, in configuring LAN, these are the equipment and peripherals you need in order to configure a LAN. First is personal computer, second, Ethernet cables, third, router, hub, switch, and the last is modem.
After you configured your client device system settings and LAN, you can now connect to everyone around the world through WAN. At first, you need to set up your date and time correctly to have access to any software applications like Chrome, and in order to use Chrome, you'll need a Wi-Fi. That's when LAN comes in the router and lets you connect and surf through the internet. And now for the WAN, it lets you connect with everyone in the internet. These are the ways on how to configure your computer settings. Now that we said what we need to say, it's time for you to do it on your own. We hope that it will help you when you configure your computer. It may look harder than said, but once you follow the steps given in this video, you can finish it in no time. That's all, and thank you for listening.